Welcome to the new episode of PCS Practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about the basics of computers. So the first topic which I am going to discuss in this session is desktop. So desktop is a term commonly used to describe a desktop computer. In reference to software, the desktop refers to the desktop environment, which is a graphical user interface metaphor that facilitate the interaction between the user and the operating system. Desktop is a Windows system internals utility that allows user to manage application on up to 4 virtual desktop, all accessible using tray icon interface. When referring to operating system or GUI, the desktop is the system of organization of icon on a screen. The Microsoft Windows desktop was first introduced with a Microsoft Windows 95 and has been introduced with every version of Windows that followed. The following image is the basic example of the Microsoft Windows desktop. Let's see the image. This is the desktop image of Windows operating system 7. Here you can place a few accessible applications. Right now you are not able to find any application in this image, but in the taskbar, this is the taskbar, you can find the different application icons. So it's a quickly usable application icons. So the user can directly click here and access that application. I will show you my desktop screen. This is my desktop screen, right? So if I want to quickly open any particular file or the folder or any application, so I will keep on my desktop screen so that I can quickly access it. Otherwise you have to open your start menu or your my computer, or from the start menu also you can open the my computer, and then you can open your particular drive and then access your file or the folder or the program, anything, right? So let's see the further topic. Need to open the file. Yes. Now tips to the particular tips I have given you. To press the window key plus D, you can find the window key. It's available in your keyboard, right? It's near to the space bar key and at the in the last row of your keyboard. So window key plus D at the time you can press to access your desktop screen. So it's a shortcut key. Let's see what is icon and the items are found in the Windows desktop. Some of the most common icon on the desktop include those for my computer, the recycle bin, your internet browser, and my documents. On the Windows desktop, you can also have access to Windows start menu through the start button on the taskbar as well as the Windows notification area. Right, so as I have just now discussed, I have display my desktop icon, right, where you can find the quickly accessible applications. These all are the icons on which is available on my desktop, right? So these are the applications, these are the folders, and these all are the files, the different application files. This is quickly accessible area. If suppose the few softwares I want to access quickly, so I'll just pin to my quickly accessible area, right? And on the right hand side I can find the time, the date zone, the sounds, the network, and all. The next topic is My Computer. My Computer is a section of Microsoft Windows first found in Windows 95 and included with all later versions that allows you to explore and manage the content of your computer drives. The picture to the right show examples of the My Computer icon in Microsoft Windows XP, Vista, and Windows 7, as well as this PC icon introduced in Windows 8. Although the name has changed, the icon still has the same function as the original. Right, so I'll show you the My Computer icon on my desktop screen. So this is the My Computer icon, the same thing you can find from the start button if you are not able to find the My Computer from your desktop. So from the start menu also you can find the My Computer. So this is My Computer. If you click on it, you can access your all drives. Right, so how to open My Computer? To get Windows desktop, open start menu, navigate to the start screen if you're using Windows 8 and the earlier version of Windows. After clicking the start or double click on My Computer icon. In newer version, the select computer from start menu. The following image is shown as the example of the My Computer folder in both new and the old version. So you'll get the different drives: A drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, and your control panel, right? This is for the image of the Windows XP. The note, the Windows Vista and Windows 7, the My Computer is simply called a computer. As I have shown in my start menu, it shows only computer. So that is also the My Computer and is accessed through the start menu. Recycle bin is the next topic. So this is the icon of the recycle bin. The recycle bin is we called as the dustbin of our computer, and the My Computer are the space where you store your all the stuffs, your data, right? So it's like a briefcase. In briefcase or like a cupboard, we stores our clothes, books, notes, anything, right? So same way, whatever the data or the information you want to store, it you can find from the My Computer. So as in our cupboard, we have the different section to for the separation, like for the books, for the clothes, for other materials and all. So same way we have the different drives to give the separate section for the different types of the data, right? And unwanted file we delete, and that will be also stored in the dustbin. So let's discuss the recycle bin. Is a location where deleted files are temporarily stored in every version of Microsoft Windows. Since Windows 95, the recycle bin allows user to recover the file that have been deleted in Windows. The image that to right is an example of what the recycle bin may look like in your version of Windows. It can be found on the desktop. Keep it in mind that if you have deleted file through MS-DOS prompt or shell, this action is permanent and file will not go to the recycle bin, right? So from MS-DOS or the shell script, if you are using and if you try to delete your file, so that will not be delete in recycle bin. From the desktop, or I mean through the Windows, through the GUI operating system, if you delete your files, right, so that will be stored in your recycle bins, and if you'll require afterwards, so you can recollect that file, you can recover that file as well. You can also permanently delete your file from the computer if you don't want, right? So let's see those options. To delete the file or folder, select it and hit delete key from the keyboard. The alternative is right click on the particular file or the folder and select the option delete from the right click menu. Let's say if you right click on the particular file, suppose I'll select this file and right click on it, so you will get the option delete and select it. You can delete your file. It will ask you the message, are you sure you want to delete the file? I don't want to delete my file, so I'll press no. If you want, you can press yes. Okay, and if you press yes, it will move to the recycle bin. It's a dustbin of the computer. Recovering the deleted data from the Windows recycle bin. By default, when file is deleted in Microsoft Windows 95 and the higher, it's automatically sent to the Windows recycle bin. In case it need to be recovered, the file was mistakenly deleted. So below are the simple steps that can be followed to recover the files. Go to the desktop where you can find the recycle bin icon. If there is any file in the recycle bin, icon should appear with trash in the bin. Double click on recycle bin, open the window, display all the file in the recycle bin, and if no files are seen, skip to the below paragraph. To restore any deleted to restore any of the deleted item, you can follow any of the steps which shown below. To empty the recycle bin is to delete the recycle bin, simply right click the recycle bin icon and select the empty recycle bin from drop down menu. I'll show you how to recover. See, this is my recycle bin icon. I'm going to open it. So you can find this many files are available in recycle bin. Suppose if I want to recover this video, right, so I'll right click on it and select option restore, right, but now you won't be able to find that file in this, right? So that file is here. I mean, I should know the location. So this is my location. Just now I have deleted I mean I have recovered this file from the trash bin. Recycle bin is also known as a trash bin, so you can call a trash bin as well. Let's see the start menu. The Microsoft Windows start menu is the primary location in Windows to locate your installed program and find any files or folder. By default, the start menu is accessed by right clicking the start button located in bottom left. So this is my start button. You can find the bottom of your screen, and the left hand side the window icon, that is the start button. What is accessible in start menu? So this is the image of the start panel, right? And this is the start button. So in the left pane you can find the recently run programs or a pinned program shortcuts. In this example you can find the programs such as Notepad, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, calculator and all programs at the bottom of the left pane, right? This is the all programs. So recently all programs option, which display the all program that have been installed in the computer. Any program, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, these all are the program. If you want to find, you have to click on the all programs and you have to find from the available option. Search, this is the search area directly below the before the below the all programs option. We have the search bar. This is the useful feature, allows you to type the name or the program file you are looking for, and you'll get the suggested option. Suppose I want to find the Microsoft Word, so I have just typed ms space I'll remove it, I'll write Word. See, you can find the Microsoft Office Word, the available option which is in my computer. So it shows the options, and from this option you can access any of the file. The right pane shows each of the more commonly accessed selection of the computer, such as your computer control panel, uh, documents, music, pictures, right, etc. You can find the version of Windows on your computer if you right click on your computer and select properties. In the system window, you can view the basic system properties, include the Windows version, access and the device manager. The shutdown button you can find at the bottom of the right pane is the shutdown button, which allows you to turn the computer off. You can also click the arrow next to the shutdown button for switching the user, log off, restart, sleep or the hibernate, etc. The taskbar, notification area, USB, the disk defragmentation. Okay, so this two topic I am going to discuss in my next video. So in this session I have discussed about what is desktop, what is recycle bin, what is my computer, and what is start menu, right? Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.